How can we save code when we're trying to integrate artificial intelligence in .NET applications? For example, here we have a console application and I have this OpenAI chatbot class in which, as you can imagine, we have a chatbot working and it uses OpenAI. So we have the model here, the API key, we instantiate a client, we write a message in the console, we have a system prompt, then we have this while loop that will allow me to have a back and forth conversation with the AI. So we allow the user to write something on the screen, and then we say that we're going to use a stream async so that we can see the AI basically typing the reply in the user's console. Alright, so this is simple enough. But let's say that also we need to support Anthropic's model like Sonnet, Haiku, Opus, that is the Claude models. So we come here and we create a new class, Anthropic Chatbot, and we do basically the same. We have here the key, the client, the model, and then we have the system prompt, we have the same while true, we have the same logic here, and then we do the same. Here we have created streaming, and we have to use some special functionality in order to be able to extract the information from the response of the model, but in the end, this works. But notice something. Notice that even though it works, we're repeating code. And that is not wise because if tomorrow I wish to modify the logic of the chatbot, then it means that I have to remember every single chatbot that I have created in my application and modify that. I have to remember that I have this Anthropic chatbot and also OpenAI chatbot. Therefore, there has to be a better way, and that is by using Microsoft.Extensions.AI. Microsoft.Extensions.AI is a package that allows us to have abstractions over the AI clients. First, let's see that we have here the package. As you can see here, we have Microsoft.Extensions.AI. In order to use it with OpenAI, we have to say Microsoft.Extensions.AI OpenAI, that is, install another package. In the case of Anthropic, that is not needed because this package already contains all that is necessary to be used with Microsoft.Extensions.AI. So let's come here to this chatbot class, in which, as you can see, we're receiving an IChatClient, which is an abstraction of a chat client. So here we can pass, for example, the OpenAI chat client or the Anthropic chat client. And you can see that here, now we have the logic of the application. We have all of the logic. We have the exact same logic that we have seen in the last two classes, but now the client is an abstraction, and therefore we can reuse this code. We can reuse this logic with whatever client supports the IChatClient. Let's see that. Let's see that we can come here to the program class. As you can see here, I load the environment variables. Here we have the OpenAI API key and the Anthropic API key. We have here the clients. Let's see that in the case of the clients, we have this code. In this code, we instantiate a new chat client from OpenAI, and I say as IChatClient in order to convert it into IChatClient. And the same goes for get Anthropic key. Here I say new Anthropic client as IChatClient, and then I do some configuration for the model. But anyway, in the end, we have here an IChatClient and also here another IChatClient, so that I can pass here OpenAI client or Anthropic client, and there is no problem with this. And let's see that this works. Let me say Ctrl F5, let's run the application, and let's see that here I can ask, for example, what is a variable. The system prompt tells the AI to always use C# for these examples and for the explanations. So as you can see, we have a C# based explanation. Alright, so this works with OpenAI, right? Alright, so let's say Anthropic, Ctrl F5, and let's see that now we can do the same. What is a variable? And let's see that now we're going to use the Anthropic model, but now we're reusing this code that we have here, this logic, which means that our application is more maintainable. If you want to learn more about how to integrate artificial intelligence in a smart manner in .NET applications, buy my course today. There is a link with a discount in the description of this video. Thank you.